Mighty StormGuard AERO Beam Wiper Blades are a premium addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with hook wiper arms. Hook wiper arms are among the easiest to install because you won't need any of the additional adapters, just the blade itself. First, with the wiper arm in the upright position, position the blade parallel to the wiper arm. Next, pull the blade into the wiper arm hook. Then, pull wiper blade onto the wiper arm until the bottom tab of the adapter locks into the hole in the wiper arm. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a protective cover over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Mighty StormGuard AERO wiper blades.